Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My video for today is not related about airline tickets. This is about how to register your book of accounts dito sa orus.dir.gov.ph or itong tinatawag nilang online registration and updating system. Isa rin ako sa mga nangangapa kung paano ito gawin. Naghahanap din ako ng mga video tutorial sa YouTube. At ngayon na may idea na ako ng konti kung paano, gusto ko rin siyang i-share sa iyo. Baka isa ka sa mga naghahanap ng ganitong information. So, simulan na natin. Punta ka sa orus.dir.gov.ph at kung wala ka pang account dito, mag-create ka ng account, i-click mo lang itong new registration. Maraming mga tutorial dito about how to create your account dito sa ORUS. Hanapin mo lang siya dito sa YouTube. Hindi ko kasi na-record noong time na nag-create ako ng account dito. Ang gagawin ko is to register book of accounts dito nga sa online, para hindi na kailangan magpunta doon sa RDO magpapatatak ng libro. So, unang-una ay mag-login. After you create your account, ay mag-login ka na. And then, taxpayer, and then enter email. After ma-input yung email and password, i-click mo itong I am not a robot, and click login. Okay, click mo itong secondary registration and click book of accounts. Nung unang nag-create ako dito ay, nung tinignan ko itong book of accounts, walang nakalagay dito na button na register book of accounts. Dito lang siya. For more information, click here. Wala to. Kaya nag-email ako sa BIR, yung kanilang email na contact us at bir.gov.ph. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, yun yung email yun. At nung tininan ko siya the next day, ay nakita ko dito na meron ng button na register book of accounts. Kaya kung ikaw, kung wala din sa'yo yung ganitong button, mag-email ka sa BIR and then i-check mo, baka maging katulad sa akin na nag-appear na lang siya dito. So, click register book of accounts. And then ito na yung taxpayer information. And then register book of account 4. And then hindi clickable itong add. I-click muna natin itong validate. At lumabas itong business details. And now, clickable na itong add. And then i-click na natin itong add. And then there are no records to display. Scroll down and i-click natin itong add row. Type kung ano yung type of books. It is manual, loose leaf, or computerized. I chose manual. And then type of books to be registered. Click to search. So marami dito. Hanapin mo lang kung ano yung type of book na i-register mo. For example, cash, receipts, journal, and then quantity. Dito, number of volumes of book. Lalagay ko isa. And then, last volume of previous book applied for. Last volume of previous book. So, wala naman akong previous book kasi first time mag-register. So, ilalagay ko lang 0. I hope tama ito. Then, scroll down. Volume from, automatic nag-pop up na 1. Beginning volume books being applied for. So, volume from, isa. And then, yung volume 2, isa. Hindi din siya pwedeng ma-edit. Ending volume of books being applied for. And then, itong validity period, Indicate the start of date when the book being registered will be valid. I will choose March 24. Date of registration automatic na siya. Ano? System generated the registration date of books. And then taxable year from month, lumabas yung COR ko is February 21. Kaya yun yung pipiliin ko. Taxable year from February 21, taxable year to taxable year. So until the end of the year. Natin yung December 31. And then, click Add Books. Add mo siya dito. And if you want to add more, again, click the Add Row, Manual, and then click Search, Cash Disbursement Journal, Quantity, 1, last volume, 0, validity period, again, start date of when the book is being registered, 24, date of registration, taxable year from, yung pinili ko dito na taxable year from is yung kailan na-release, certificate of registration, taxable year from, and then taxable year to December 31, 2023, and click Add Books. After mo ma-add yung mga books na kailangan mong i-register, click mo itong Continue. Nandito yung information, office, head office, team, branch code. Click natin itong Continue. Attachment. All documents should be uploaded either as PDF file or as JPEG image file. Each document should not be larger than 25 MB. For registration of used books accounts, please attach the affidavit document attesting the completeness, accuracy, and correctness of entries in books and number of loose leaf used for period covered. So, para din to sa registration of computerized books. And then attach the required supporting documents. And then click review. Then please review your application for 1905. Review. Manual cash basic journal. General journal. General ledger. And then check. I understand that the viewer has the right to practice information. Any indication of insufficient fraud or legal activities. And click Submit Application. Registration successful. Your registered book of accounts is completed with application reference number identified on March 24 with details. An email confirmation was sent to the registered email address containing the details And other information, a QR code has been generated which can be downloaded. Okay. So, titingnan ko yung aking email. If meron ba dito. So, So that's it guys kung paano mag-register ng book of accounts dito sa ORUS. And hindi po ako magaling sa mga ganito. I advise na you consult professionals pagdating sa mga ganitong mga bagay like sa mga books, kung ano ba yung mga books na ni-require sa inyo. And yes, thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!